Students, in last two programs, we used two arithmetic operators. One, the addition, which is used for the addition operation, and the other one for the multiplication operation. So now in this program, what we are going to do is we are going to use another arithmetic operator, and that is the division. So first of all, how can you write the program? You need to click on the file menu and then control N source file. Okay, now again let's try to put comment here, program for division of two numbers. So let's try to include the header files, iostream hash include iostream, and then by using the standard namespace, and here we need to put the main function. Our program execution starts from the main function, so it is important that you have to have the main function in your program. Okay, so first of all, because we want to divide one number by another number, so there are basically we have to declare two variables and one variable for storing the result value. So this is how we are going to write our declare our first variable. Excuse me. So uh, declaring first number. This is the comment part, and let's try to declare another variable, number 2. Okay, and this is declaring second number, and let's try to declare the result variable, which is going to store the result, declaring the resultant variable. So once we declare all these variables, the next task is that we need to um, assign values to these variables that we declare here, number 1 and number 2. So this is the next task, and the next task would be to assign value using assignment operator. Number 1, okay, let's assume that is 25, and number 2, let's assume this is 5. And in the result, what we need to do is we need to divide number 1 by number 2. So let's try to print the result on the screen. The division of number 1 or the result of number 1 by this operator, division operator, number 2, equal to res, because the result is going to be stored in this res variable, and we need to put this semicolon at the end of this statement. So first of all, let me explain this program once again. We declared three variables, two for storing the values and one for storing the result. So these are the declaration part, okay, and this is also the declaration part. Now here I have assigned values, okay, the number 1 25, and then 5 in number 2. Here the number 1, the value of number 1, because in number 1 we have stored 25 and in number 2 we have stored 5, so 25 will be divided by 5, and then whatever the value comes, that will be stored in res variable. So here this message will be printed on the screen, the division of number 1, the value of number 1 will be printed, and then this special symbol will be printed, and then the value of number 2 will be printed, okay, and then equal sign would be printed, and then res, whatever the value is stored in res, that's going to be printed. So let's try to store or save this program. Save. Now let's try to compile this code. Let's see what happens. Now you can see this is the result. Okay, the division of, you can see the message or the string is displayed as it is. So the division of, okay, number one, the value of number one, that is 25. 25 is printed, and then the special symbol used for division, that is printed, and then number two, whatever value is stored in number two, that is printed, and then equal to res. So when you divide 25 by 5, you will get the result 5, and that 5 is stored in res variable. So I hope that you like this video. If still there is any confusion, you can ask during the live session. So thank you very much.